Hi, I am Sayuj from Palakkad, Kerala. I want to gain skills in NDT, QAQC, piping, refining, safety, drilling to become oil and gas technician. I have completed diploma in oil and gas engineering. I have learned about upstream, midstream, downstream. In upstream process, exploration, reconstruction, drilling, oil production. In midstream process, storage unit and transportation of oil and LNG. Downstream process, refining, gasification and marketing. I understood welding, painting, NDT, quality control and quality assurance, safety engineering, all required to become oil and gas technician. Now I am going to perform PT, part of NDT required for oil and gas technician. I also understood how onshore and offshore drilling happens in real time. I also gained knowledge in drilling states and oil well control, blowout preventer and Christmas tree installation. Production of oil and natural gas, unit construction and safety procedure like handling of H2S gas, etc. Midstream process, oil storage and gas storage. Storage units can be onshore or offshore. I learned how piping is so useful in midstream projects for transmission of oil and natural gas. Oil transportation is done through pipeline and oil tanker. Natural gas compressed at minus 163 degree to convert into LNG and transport to gas plant for processing and production of CNG. Downstream process, refining and marketing. In refinery plant process, pipeline, welding, quality testing includes NDT and shutdown maintenance of process equipment like boiler, pressure vessel, heat treatment, heat exchanger, etc. Also learned knowledge in quality control like welding process, defectology, terms and definition, weld fabrication, drawings and welding symbols, heat treatment, welding parameters. Also in quality assurance like documentation and report submission and how to read, prepare PWPS, WPS, PQR and how to qualify welder using WPS, ITP, material inspection, etc. Also in NDT, I learned 5 methods like VT, PT, MPT, RT, UT. And in DT, I learned bend test, tensile test, hardness test, toughness test. Now demonstration on PT method. Before testing, the test tube specimen is pre-cleaned. I am using solvent cleaner to clean the surface. Now I have to check lake intensity for visible LPT method. This is lux meter. Value is 1058 is enough for penetrant testing. Now I am going to apply penetrant. Now we have to wait for few minutes called dwell time. Now dwell time is over. Now we have to remove excess penetrant from surface. Now we have to apply developer. I am using non-aqueous developer. This is shape. Now we got some indications are porosities.